That's it.
Yeah, all that water is almost like a shower, and bandits like to be dirty.
Sorry.
You know, we could make the whole city dirty.
Oh, yeah. But how do we do that?
I'm sure there's a magic pet for that. With the power of this slimy magic pet called Slimy, we will cover the whole city with slime.
Yeah. Slime.
We need to stop them, Morphle. Morph into...
Not in my city, kids. What do you think you're doing?
We need to catch the bandits.
What you need to do is clean up all this mess you made.
But...
No buts, Missy. I'll be back in a bit to see if you've cleaned all this slime.
Let's clean this up as quick as we can. Morphle has an idea. That's great, Morphle. Now, let's go after the bandits. Oh, no. Look at all that slime.
Uh-oh. Look! Bandits!
They're about to slime Officer Freeze's car. Morphle, spray their slime away with your water.
What? You two again. You can start cleaning the fire station right away.
Okay, Officer Freeze. Wow! Look, Morphle. Every place the slime has been is much cleaner than before. It's like some kind of magical soap. Let's go clean up the rest of the slime.
Didn't we just slime this place?
Yeah.
We cleaned it all up. And now we're going to clean you, too.
Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no. We're really clean, Yorn.
I know, Stein. I love it.
You're so fast. Ooh, let's have a race.
Yeah, race.
First one to the schoolyard wins. Ready, set, go! Morphle's the winner.
That was awesome! Can I join the race?
Sure thing. Right, Orphle?
Yeah!
Next, let's race to the building site.
Let's go! You know, you're gonna be much faster with a rocket booster!
Wow!
Ah! Phew!
You won, Orphle.
Let's race to the hospital.
Okay, let's go! Morphle, morph legs so you can jump.
Orphle, morph robot legs.
Morphle wins again.
Let's race to the mountaintop.
Let's go! Morphle, morph wings so we can fly.
Duh, we can fly over it. Orphle, morph a helicopter rotor. We won, Orphle.
Yeah!
Look, it's Daddy. Let's do one last race to Daddy.
Yeah. Ready, set, go.
Morphle, morph into a sleigh with boosters.
Wow. Orphle, morphin. Just do what they do.
Whoa!
We raced to you, Daddy. Who won?
I'm pretty sure you finished at the same time.
Wow.
Now then, let's race home. In my car.
Of course we want to try your new game.
Yeah! Game! Game, game, game!
And remember, you have to collect 3 stars to beat the bad knight. For this level, you need this magic sword.
Mila, there!
That must be the bad knight. Morphle, morph into a knight as well.
Robots, attack!
Was that all, bad knight?
Yippee! Star!
Aww. You got lucky last time, but you will never beat me in this race.
Ooh, a racing game. Morphle, morph into a race car.
Not again.
Is this another level?
This is my castle, and you can never get through the door without the 3rd star.
Oh no, we have to catch him, Morphle. Morph into a kangaroo. Ugh. Maybe we can get him by plane.
You don't scare me.
Scare you? Morph into a dragon, Morphle.
No! That's not fair!
Yay! We finished the game!
Well done, Mila and Morphle.
Yeah! This game was great!
Wow!
Tumbling test tubes!
Oh no! Morph into a superhero, Morphle!
Phew!
What has happened here?
The bandits stole my growing ray. They went that way. Please get it back.
All right. Morphle, morph into a race car.
Take that.
Oh, Stein, you're so bad. Yeah.
What's going on here?
The bandits stole the professor's growing ray.
What? Not in my city. Let's stop them.
This is so much fun.
Stop right there, bandits. Oh, it's Officer Freeze.
Give us back the growing ray.
Oh, it's Mila and Morphle. Oh no, what do we do?
This is what we do. Stop that! You're under arrest. Try and catch us first.
I have an idea. We can bounce from flower to flower to reach the bandits. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo.
Look, Stein, they are coming closer.
We have to go higher.
Bandits, look out! The flower is about to break.
You're just saying that to stop us.
We're not falling for that.
Uh-oh.
It looks so pretty.
Well, maybe we can keep it like this. Just for today.
Oh no! Morphle! Morph into a superhero!
Phew! Thank you, Morphle, the superhero. Wow! Orphle superhero too! Orphle!
Oh no!
We need to catch him!
Orphle! Orphle superhero too!
Thank you, Morphle.
Help!
No, not in my sick.
Let's bring the tiger back to the zoo.
Okay.
Oh, phew.
Oh no!
Quickly, Morphle! Get the tiger out of there! Phew!
Wow! Would you look at that?
A meteor!
Orphle, stop meteor!
Now the meteor is heading towards the city!
Oh no!
Stop the meteor, Morphle! Good job, Morphle!
You stopped the meteor! You're a real superhero, Morphle.
Let us go!
Nuh-uh. We need you for our trap to catch Morphle.
Help! Help!
Oh no! We need to help them!
Orphle superhero, help!
Orphle, stop! It's a trap!
Orphle, help!
We've caught you, Morphle.
Wait, that isn't Morphle. It's Orphle!
Here's Morphle. Orphle, can you bring Officer Freeze here to arrest the bandits?
What are you? The bandits? Thank you, Orphle.
Thank you for saving us, Orphle.
You're a real superhero. a bit tired as well. Let's have a quick little nap. Whoa! I can fly!
Wow! How?
I don't know, but this is great. Let's play some more tag.
Help!
Uh-oh, let's see what's going on.
Yeah! Oh, a flying girl! My poor Mittens is stuck in the tree. Can you help her? Yeah! Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Thank you, Mila. It's so great you can fly.
Yeah.
Mila and Morphle. Can you help? Barky got stuck on the roof. Great. Thank you, Mila. Your flying power is pretty great.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. I heard you can fly now. Can you help me lift these beams up to the top of this building?
Sure.
Mila no need Morphle.
I can't lift this beam by myself. Morphle, can you help me? Morphle, where are you? Where are you, Morphle? I could fly because of Krav. And without Krav, I will fall. Morphle, help!
Oh no! Morphle, help!
Thanks, Morphle. But why did you go away?
Mila no more need Morphle.
What? I will always need you, Morphle.
Really?
Of course.
Thanks for bringing us, Mila and Morphle. Now I can give the mountain giant a tour of the city.
No problem, Daddy. Have fun on the tour. Let's go, Morphle. Morph into a race car.
Here, put this on. This way, no one will be able to guess that you're a mountain giant. Oh, mountain giant. Easy, it's all right. Don't be scared. Stop! Come back!
Huh? Oh, not in my city. What happened here?
It was a big guy who did this. A big guy with glasses and a mustache.
That sounds like Mila's dad. I'm on it.
Wait, why am I being arrested?
You ruined my city. I don't know how you did it, but you did it.
Daddy, what happened?
Mila and Morphle, please go look for the mountain giant. I think he's very scared. And please get me out of here.
All right, we're on it. I'm sure if we follow the path of destruction, we will find the mountain giant. Morph into a race car, Morphle. The trail ends here, so we must be around here somewhere. There you are, Mr. Mountain Giant. Are you all right? Good, but we need you to help us out. Daddy is in jail for the mess you made in the city. Do you want to help us clean up the city? That's great! Let's go!
Monster!
No, Officer Freeze. This is Daddy's friend, the Mountain Giant. He's the one who made a mess of the city. He's very sorry, but he has put everything back the way it was.
Well, all right then. And I can't put you in jail anyway. You're way too big.
Really? All right.
And you're free to go as well.
Thanks, officer. Thank you very much for coming back and clearing my name, Mr. Mountain Giant. That was very brave of you.
Morphle, morph into a race car.
Stop it right there, Orphle.
What? This isn't Orphle. This is Morphle. Yeah!
Oh, sorry, Morphle. I can never keep the two of you apart. Which one is which again?
Morphle is red, Orphle is green.
I knew that. Well, the green one is causing all sorts of trouble in my city.
Oh no. We'll find Orphle, Officer Freeze.
Great. And when you do, get him away from my city, will ya?
Yeah!
Huh? Well, this is strange. What? Oh no! It's Orphle! Ah!
Look, Morphle, it's Orphle. Oh no! Let's go after it.
No! Don't leave me here!
We need to get him down again. Morph into a fire truck.
Thank you, Morphle.
again! We need to find him!
All right. Everything's ready to start building. What? No, stop. Please don't do that.
There he is!
Oh no, it's about to fall.
Morph into a robot, Morphle.
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
But Orphle's gone again.
Still haven't found Orphle. Where else could I look? A helicopter. I can look for Orphle from the air. Oh no, Orphle is the helicopter. Oh. Oh no! Help! Somebody help me!
Morphle can help you.
Morphle! Great!
Look, Morphle, it's Orphle. And he's getting tired. I have an idea how to get Orphle away from the city.